Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Keep It Simple Sunday, and that's hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY. Now I'm going to be linking the host and her channel link down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what everybody made for Keep It Simple Sunday. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. So what I decided to try was to make the concrete effect bowls for display purposes, and that's what I'm doing here. So I purchased the bowls from the Dollar Tree, and then the paint I purchased, it's apple barrel, and I purchased that at Walmart. I went ahead and bought some baking soda, and we are going to go ahead and decorate these in two colors. We're going to do it in the beige, and we're also going to do it in the gray. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, did you know that every time you click that like button and full watch a video, you help YouTube to notice me just a little bit more, and that helps me to grow. So this is my first time trying this, and I didn't have measurements, so I kind of went with just consistency. So I poured some of the apple barrel paint in a plastic container, and then I went ahead and I mixed some baking soda. Now we're just giving it one layer, and we're going to allow that to dry and then come back with a second layer. And that's what you see me doing here. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave it to a little bit of music as I go ahead and continue applying this. Now, originally I wasn't going to do the inside of the bowl, but I really wasn't liking how it was looking, and I'm not going to be displaying any food or anything on this, so it's okay to do the inside of the bowl, at least for me. Now at the beginning of the video I said I was going to do this in two colors, so we got done with the beige. Now we're going to go ahead and start this process for the second bowl, and we're using that dark gray. So that you know, I did give this 2 coats of the baking soda and the paint, and I still wasn't really liking the texture because I wanted it to have a lot of it. So what I did was when it fully dried, I went back with some more paint, and then I started to dab on or stipple the baking soda, and that I really like. So I'm really loving this texture, and you see it really well once it's dry. So now I want to get some loose flowers, and we're going to go ahead and decorate the beige one. I think these bowls came out absolutely beautiful. Now let's take a quick look at the gray one. Okay, so let's get ready for the reveal, guys. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Melissa, for hosting this collaboration. And it's really just a matter of color preference as far as the bowls are concerned. I think they came out great, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.